Hello. The purpose of this video today is to inform a relatively new investor of how to pick a stock in their portfolio. To build this portfolio, we're going to look at selecting what is known as a value stock. The definition of a value stock may differ. In most cases, it's based on 4 criteria. It's PE ratio, PEG ratio, dividend yield, and market capitalization. PE ratio, also known as the price to earnings ratio, refers to the price of a stock relative to the previous 12 months earning of the company. PE ratio of anywhere from 0 to 15 is considered undervalued or average valued stock. A PEG ratio, also known as a price to earnings growth ratio, refers to the stock price relative to the earnings growth potential. Anywhere from 0 to 1 is considered a low price relative to its earnings growth potential. The dividend yield refers to the price of a stock in relation to the company's annual dividend payout. It's a division by the price of the stock according to how much the dividend annual payout is, which will give you the dividend yield. And lastly, it's the market cap or market capitalization, also known as the size of the company. It's based on the number of shares currently outstanding by the stock price. In order to select a value stock based on this criteria, we're going to use a stock screener. Stock screener allows you to pick an individual investment based on criteria that you select. We're going to use a financial services firm called Scottrade in order to demonstrate how to use the stock screener. But as a word of warning, as this demonstration that we're using today is for informational purposes only, and it's not a solicitation to invest in or to liquidate a particular investment. Okay. So now that we've logged into our Scottrade account, okay, we've gone into the quotes and research section here. From there, we're going to click on stocks. And then we're going to click on screener. And then from here, we're going to reset any previous screenings and then select the criteria based on 3 different sections, which is going to be the market segment, fundamentals, and earnings and dividends. The first market segment is going to give us our market cap. And we're going to choose large to mega cap. Okay. Fundamentals we're going to use for PEG ratio and PE ratio. Again, referencing 1 or less for optimal PEG ratio and a PE ratio of 0 to 15. Trailing 12 months and also below average. Okay. And then the earnings, we're going to go down to the dividend yield. And drop this down to slightly below 4. And from there, we end up with 20 matches. We'll click on the matches, and then the matches from here will give us the companies that we can select from based on our criteria in order to pick an investment. Jamie, you still up? Okay. Now that we've selected the criteria and found the stocks that have met our criteria, we can save this screen and we can call it value stocks. And that way we can have it for future viewing. Now the information that we did discuss today, we can go into the Knowledge Center here in order to reference any of those. So for instance here we can put in PEG ratio and click on search. And then you'll see here that information is available in the Knowledge Center and the dictionary. This can be used to pull up any definition that you're not familiar with or any terms that you're not familiar with. But between the Knowledge Center and also the quotes and research, this will help you to select an investment and learn more about the market.